Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get the new Instagram Threads app. What we got to do is just go into our app store, and then I already typed in Threads. So you can just type in up at the top Threads and you'll find it in here. This is what the icon looks like. So we'll go ahead and hit get. So then once we have it downloaded and we open it up, this is what we are presented with. And one thing that you want to make sure that if you have multiple accounts, that you are signing up with Threads with the account that you want to sign up with. So, I can go to switch account and I can select the one that I want to sign up with. I'll go ahead and select this one. Then it's going to ask us to kind of customize our profile here. We can add a bio. We can also add a link if we want to, or we could actually just import this from our Instagram account as well. I'm just going to go ahead and skip on this. Then we can choose whether or not we want to have a public or a private profile. I'm going to select private, and then it will give us a list of all of the people that we follow on Instagram, and it'll ask us whether or not we want to follow each of them, or we could just go down to the bottom and select follow all. And then we're presented with this screen. It's just kind of telling us how Threads works, but we can go ahead and just tap join Threads down at the bottom. One of the first things that'll come up is asking you whether or not you want to allow the notifications. And then now this is what Threads will look like when you first open it. Because I didn't choose to follow anybody, I just kind of have these suggested threads for me. Down at the bottom here, we have different icons, and we can go to search. On this one, we can go ahead and search different people that we may want to follow. We can see the activity, the things that we've liked, certain requests, replies, and then if you want to see your own profile, you just tap on that little icon down at the right, and then you have your own profile here. Clearly I didn't import anything in from Instagram, but all of this I can edit. I can edit my profile, I can edit my picture and all of that. So yeah, that is how we get Threads onto our iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. I'll see you next time.